What's going on, guys? It's Supercar Street Racing again. You got Brad here one more time, and today is special because there's something right here in the box that I've been waiting for. It is a gift for my friend, and it just came in, and we're gonna have to get this over to him and show it to him at some point, but it's sitting right here in this box, which I'm hyped to show you guys here in a minute, and he's gonna enjoy it, especially if we get to use it. I'm gonna find out if he's got plans tonight. If not, I'm gonna bring this directly over to him. We're gonna check it out. Get this box open first though. Let's see what's inside. Supercar Street Racing back again. We're in the Supercar Street Racing compound kitchen right now, where you got Brad here. And what we have today is something special. A company called Astercook reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to take a look at all their products. And I said, of course, I would love to. And I thought like the best way to use this product might be to give it to Joe and his kids because they cook a lot. They would use this more than me. I don't cook very much. I already have a brand new set, but I think we should get this thing open and then take it over to their house and give it to them. So what we're gonna do right now is just kind of sort of unbox it, and then I'm gonna go over to his house and then surprise him with the Astercook and see if he likes it. It is in white, I think is what they sent me, but they make all kinds of very cool colors, which I'm sure you guys would like all of those colors. I picked this based on my taste, but Joe maybe likes it, maybe he does not. We'll find out when we go over to his house. We got the Astercook sitting right here, so fresh and so fly. And it has 23 pieces to give Joe, and he gets all the goodies, and he needs it because one day soon he'll be getting his own house. So he's gonna need something like this when he gets his house to get going. This is gonna go to him as a gift. Let's get this thing open. This is the Astercook cookware set. If you can believe it, there's supposed to be 23 pieces in here. Is that possible in all this? 10-inch saute pan, 10-inch frying pan, 11-inch grill pan, 8-inch frying pan, 8-inch saucepan, 7-inch saucepan is in this box? Let's find out. I find it hard to believe. It's all in this one box? Come on now, dude. All that in one box, huh? Well, there's got to be a trick to that. But guess what? We're not going to find out till we open this up officially. All right, you guys get to see this when we open it up for real. What's going on, everybody? We're over here at Dukes of Duval's house tonight because something is sitting right behind him that we're going to be taking advantage of. Joe, what is in this box that we're going to be playing with today?
Yeah, we have a cookware set that was sent to us by Astercook.
They sent us a 23-piece cookware set.
It sure did.
And so since I have brand new cooking stuff, this is going to be staying here after we get done. So let's start getting this meal prepped and start looking at what's in this box.
All right, guys, so what we have here is a 23-piece set from Astercook. So we're going to go through this box and get everything out of here. We've already kind of cracked into it, but there's quite a few things that are included in this particular set. So some of the stuff is things that we might have to assemble. So we'll just kind of go one by one real quick. All right, looks like we got one of these quick handles. Kind of cool, you know?
So this is how you grab the pot?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Absolutely. Yeah,
because they don't, it looks like they don't have handles.
Yeah, exactly. So, all right, this is one of their baking dishes right here.
Right.
And let's look at this real fast. So I think you just take and put this on here, grab it.
And then you can use it for the next pot.
That's awesome.
That's very cool. And it lets them store better too.
Yeah, and that just locked.
That thing's awesome.
I guess you release it like that.
Oh, that's nice.
That is really secure. Look at that. Like, it is not going anywhere.
That's very cool.
That's great. And then you can pick it up from any size. So you're not like forced to like pick it up from one particular handle. And if you want to, which is great for cooking purposes, as a person that likes to cook, when I put this on here, sometimes I kind of struggle for like room on top of my stove. So this is nice to be able to take it, put it down and remove the handle. And that way you're not fighting the handles and you have areas for that. That's awesome.
And think about like storing them in the cabinets. The handles get in the way all the time. Yeah. You don't have to deal with that. So I'm not sure what that is. Is that a cover for it?
Well, we'll figure that out.
Okay.
Looks like a cover. Yeah.
All right. Let's see what else. Looks like we got another type of cover. I think that's what it is.
More lids. These are like storage lids. So I wonder if you can go directly on top of.
So maybe you put it in the fridge. You can put them directly in the fridge with those lids. We got our Astercook detachable manual here.
We got some pot lid handles right there.
Ah, okay. So we do have handles. All right.
All right.
A nice pasta spoon. Nice wood handles. Another pot. Okay. Cool.
And again, you have the handle for everything, which is great. All right, here's another lid.
Okay.
Another pot right here.
Yep.
All right, here you go.
A little spatula there. We got a spoon.
All right, we have a second handle, which is really nice. Another pan.
Yeah, they asked me if I wanted the white ones, and I was like, yeah, for sure. I think white's cool.
All of these have really nice conduction bottles on here, so hopefully they got nice, even cooking.
Okay.
I'm sure that's the case. There's another big one right here.
Cool.
Frying pan. It's a legit frying pan there.
Yeah, it's your holder for your accessories. Little rubber holder thing.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so here is our
Yeah.
cookware set. We do have to build it, so we have to put our lids on 2 of the covers here. There's the other one. And then if you notice here, I found the right lid for that pot. They just kind of sit over it like that. Now we need to talk about what we're going to do with this stuff.
Yeah, so the first thing is we're going to give this a really quick wash. Like anything you get brand new, you always want to give it a quick wash.
Okay.
And then we're going to go ahead and make a couple things with it tonight, right? So what do we have? We have chicken thighs, we have broccoli, and I think we have a kind of an instant rice medley that we're going to put together real fast.
We do, yeah.
So something simple but fast. It's already 6:30. It's getting late. So we're going to do a quick wash with all this stuff, get it better organized, and then we will get to cooking.
Okay, sounds good. So right now, Joe is about to wash the pots and pans for the first time. Just a quick wash to get anything off of them that may have gotten on them in shipping or when they were created. So
what's important is that these are not ones that you want to be abrasive with.
right.
So you want to give them a nice little wash, but don't use anything abrasive.
Okay, and it does say try not to dishwash them because of the abrasiveness of the dishwasher
Of the
liquid.
of the chemical that they use.
Yes.
This thing is capable for all types of stoves, regular stoves, gas stoves, including induction stoves.
Like the one I have.
the ones-
It's never-
yeah.
It's never been on. Okay, so what's happening now?
All right, so we just pretty much wrapped up everything. I think everything's about ready to go.
Okay.
Rice looking good. Give it a little toss.
Yep.
We're down here cooking that chicken.
You got your removable handle there.
Yeah,
you just clip it right on and it locks.
And it's secure. Like that thing is like not going anywhere.
Okay.
Once you squeeze it, it locks good. Unlock. Boom. We're gonna let that rest. So we'll push that back a little ways. And then we'll come back here now for the broccoli. Little roasted broccoli. Looks good. That's super convenient.
All we have to do now is just eat.
And let's look at the nonstick. Look at how good that nonstick is.
They're really perfect.
Yeah. That's awesome.
All right, let's get the kids out here and eat.
Let's do it.
All right, we are ready to eat. We have our chicken, rice, and broccoli here. And we got these two knuckleheads. Huh? And they have cream soda. I have 19 Crimes wine. And we're ready to eat some food. This looks...
Yeah, man. Turned out really good.
And thank you, Astercook. They provided the cookware for this, which then is going to be, say, at these guys' house. They're going to get to keep this.
Yeah.
Since I don't cook.
All right.